Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Adelise Velez and I have been gone for about 5 months. Yeah, I've been gone for 5 months, and if I didn't have video footage and pictures of all of the things that have caused me to be off of YouTube, I myself wouldn't believe all these stories. Just to label a few, I had a flood. I was indirectly evicted from the place where I was doing permanent makeup. I helped my husband build an office in Brooklyn, helped him dismantle an office in Brooklyn, helped him build a new office here in our home. I also had a giant project in Puerto Rico where we built a paint night that caused a lot of travel and a lot of time away from home. I mean, the list goes on and on and on, but for now, I'll just give you a couple of clips of all of that and leave you guys on a cliffhanger, because I will be making videos about those experiences, and I will explain to you all the things that have happened and why I'm technically not doing permanent makeup for now, or maybe indefinitely. I haven't really decided yet. Without further ado, I want to go into this video with you guys. And what better way to start than with a YouTube video about starting a YouTube channel in 2022. I thought this would be a perfect video to come back and visit you guys with, because I myself am struggling with keeping a schedule, coming back onto YouTube, even having a subject matter. So this is kind of like a story time tutorial advice kind of video. Okay, so here we go. In the middle of COVID, I started a YouTube channel like many other people, and I was really excited to keep going at it, but the one thing I constantly kept struggling at was finding a subject matter. And now that I'm here, and it's been 5 months later since like my last video, I realized that there are a lot of videos on YouTube that teach you how to do YouTube, but they don't really put you in the state of mind to stay in the game and not quit and keep coming back video after video, even if you're not on a weekly schedule or a monthly schedule like myself. So I just wanted to share some of those things with you right now. Step 1. If you haven't already started your YouTube channel, I will tell you that the first step is to break the seal, okay? My first video was how to use mascara and make your lashes look longer. Now, I knew in my heart that I was never gonna come back and make another makeup video. Well, maybe not never, but I was never really gonna make a makeup channel. I wasn't gonna be the next Jeffree Star or Huda Beauty. I love watching them, but I don't even wear 1/8 of the amount of makeup they do, nor do I even know how to use it. I have tried, and I have a friend who gave me a whole tutorial on it, but I'm really just not that good at it, and I don't really wear a lot of makeup, and so I feel like I wouldn't be giving you guys value. So remember, step 1 is to break the seal. Put a video out there, even if it's not horizontal and it's just vertical, or if it's really shitty and the lighting sucks, or if you're anything like me, you know, like the glass is dirty and it drives you crazy and you just don't know how to hit record. Get out of your way and make that first video and just put it on YouTube, okay? Step 2, if there's anything I could suggest to you guys that's really important, is for you to go onto YouTube, read the rules, learn about it, and begin your journey. When I started YouTube, I knew I could make money and I could do it in my sleep, and that's one of the things that was motivating me. Just get out of your way, begin your journey, learn the rules. You don't want to be potentially demonetized before you even become a candidate to be monetized. So go read the rules, learn, okay? Step 3. Make more videos. Do videos about anything in the beginning, especially if you don't know what you want your subject matter to be or what you want the theme of your channel to be. The point is that the moment you start, the monetization clock starts ticking, okay? Your subscriber count starts counting, your hours watched start counting, and I'm not gonna get into all of the YouTube information that I could do in another video today, because this is more of a how to start and how to keep going video. This isn't really a video about how to run your channel or how to use YouTube or how to edit. So if you're looking for that, just wait for another video, okay? So number 4, stop being a perfectionist. I know I don't practice what I preach when it comes to this, because when things are not almost exactly the way I want them to be, it's really hard for me to start. I think I almost stopped this video like 3 times just because I could see my son's little fingers and how dirty the mirror is behind me. But the reality is that I had to stop myself, get out of my way, and just make this video. So don't be a perfectionist. I know that you're probably gonna be like, ugh, and it makes you cringe. Find a subject, create the theme, write a little script, get to it, do it. As a matter of fact, even if you don't have a script, you can always use Movie Magic, crop and cut and paste, to fix the video. So get out of your way, start, don't be a perfectionist, go for it. Number 5, don't let anyone make you feel bad about doing what you love. If you want to do YouTube and you really enjoy it, no one is really going to understand why you're doing it. They're not going to understand your motive, and they're all going to have opinions. And if you allow those voices to fester in your head too much, you're going to get in your way again, and you're going to stop doing what is going to make you happy. Okay? So the next thing is number 5. Don't let anyone tell you what your channel should be about. Now, if it isn't clear yet, the moment you decide to go onto YouTube is because you're looking for some kind of freedom. So if you go around allowing other people to tell you what your channel should be about, you're going to start making videos about what they want, and you might not find it that interesting, and you're going to quit. Point blank. This is an opportunity for you to use this tool to make yourself happy, and by making yourself happy, you're going to enrich other people's lives. So if the people who are telling you, make a video about this, make a video about that, make a video about this, are just kind of eating at your brain and sending you off in all these directions that aren't helping you stay motivated on YouTube, then my only advice to you is to kind of stop listening to them and just start making videos about things that you naturally do and that you naturally enjoy. Okay? The next one is edit your own videos. You could find people on Fiverr or other types of applications of that nature that could edit videos for you. But in the beginning, when you don't have a database full of videos of yourself, the person who is editing you is going to edit you according to their perspective. And so if you're a funny person, they might not catch all those quirks and all those like little nuances about you. But when you learn how to edit your own videos, you're gonna see that you can really captivate the person you are on camera by editing your own videos, okay? So one of the things I could recommend, even though I said I wasn't going to go into too many details about how to do YouTube specifically, if you have an iPhone or a Mac, iMovie is free. F-R-E-E. So use it. And I'm pretty sure if you have a PC, there are things that are available to you on PC that are either free or really low cost. What's the next one? Number 8. Find a place to work and have it set up at least 80% of the way. And I say this to you because if you're anything like me, and you probably are, you could get very easily uncomfortable. If you have ADD, you have to constantly reorganize everything, and that alone takes forever, more time than actually making the video sometimes. And if you are constantly redoing everything all the time, you're going to lose your energy and you're not going to be able to do this. So find a place to work, even if it's in a closet, and just start making your YouTube videos. Number 9. If you have trouble doing videos like this, where the camera's actually looking at you, you can do videos of all of the activities that you like doing. If you like walking dogs, if you like going to the grocery store, if you're like a health food person, whatever it is that you do, take videos and pictures of everything you do, because if there's ever a time in your YouTube journey that you just don't want to be on camera, you can always put these pictures and images together and create a video. And that way you won't feel stunted or stopped. If you have a giant pimple on your face, like I think I'm getting one, that's because I ate way too much bacon. I'm not supposed to eat bacon, and I did because I had a little bit of like a craving. But my point is, I'm digressing here, is that if you take a lot of videos and pictures of everything that you do, you can always use that to your advantage to just keep making videos, even if you don't really feel like being on camera, or if you don't think you have anything to put onto YouTube. The last one is don't give up. Now, I know that you're probably going to be like, well, Annalise, you constantly disappear for like 5 to 6 months. Yes, I know that. But like I said, I didn't give up. I'm here and you guys can see me. So that's all I have to say for now. I do hope that I'll be making more videos very, very soon. I do want to show you, like I gave you guys a little clip of all the things that happened to me and why I end up disappearing off of YouTube for a while. I do want to give you longer stories for all of those little reasons, big reasons actually, for all of those big reasons why I end up not being on YouTube. But for now, all I have to say is, ciao, bacalao.